36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, smoking, driving, eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device and mute it and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Patway. Give me one moment. Let me find Mr. Doucette here. All right, this is the People versus Shakari Doucette. Ticket number P1386081, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyron Rook on behalf of
P13860, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your name.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. Reasonable, you gotta eliminate that noise background. Let me see.
Tyron Rook on behalf of Mr. Jakari Doucette. Mr. Doucette, state your name, sir.
Jakari Doucette.
Your Honor, I have spoken with Mr. Doucette. I'm glad to say he now has a valid license. I've seen the license. You may want to run it, but it was just issued to him several months ago, I believe.
Ms. Reasonable, get into the camera. Reason over.
With that, Mr. Record, it's the feedback on us. She needs to be muted. It's the feedback.
And she's not even getting into the camera.
Stipulate to probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Doucette. Good luck to you, sir. You're all set, Mr. Doucette. It's dismissed. What are you doing with Ms. Rogers? Because we have the officer here.
Oh, she's corrected the violation, Your Honor. She has a dog license, which would mean that dog was vaccinated and everything.
Mr. Doucette. Mr. Doucette.
Hello?
Mr. Doucette, you're completed. Your matter was dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so the offer is for her to a 6-month delayed sentence for fail to provide leash and or responsible person for dog of the owner, of the owner's person. So it's a 6-month delayed sentence. Is she willing to take that?
Ms. Rogers, did you just hear that?
I didn't understand.
So the offer is a 6-month delayed sentence for you failing to provide a leash for the dog. And a 6-month delayed sentence means that you'll be given 6 months to pay a fine. The fine will likely be $200. And then you can't get any more tickets. You do all of that, this will be dismissed off your record. The other cases will be dismissed as well today. But that last charge that you make admissions to would be dismissed 6 months from now. Did you want to take that offer?
Yes.
Okay, this is the People versus Shawana Rogers, ticket number B123489, count 1, harboring an unlicensed dog. Ticket number B123491, count 1, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination against rabies. And ticket number B123492, count 1, failed to provide leash and or responsible person for a dog of the owner's person. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Investigator Chandler.
Good morning, Investigator Janitra Chandler with Detroit Animal Control, Batch 15.
Tyron Rucker on behalf of Ms. Shawanda Rogers. Ms. Rogers, state your name.
Shawanda Rogers.
Ms. Rogers, my understanding that you want to take advantage of the city's offer whereby you would take responsibility for having a dog without a leash under a 6-month delayed sentence. And as the judge explained, after 6 months of successfully staying out of trouble and having no negative contact with the police, the charge would be dismissed along with the other charges. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Raise your right hand, Ms. Rogers. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Rucker, in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
I'm pleading guilty because, yes, the dog was outside.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct it to July 21st, 2022 at 12:07 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 19930 Pelkey Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you fail to provide a leash and or responsible person for a dog that you owned?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. Do you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice?
So stipulate.
If they're dismissed without prejudice, we'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Ms. Rogers. You have the 6 months to pay the $200 fine. You can't get any more tickets or citations, so essentially no further police contact. If you do all of this, pay the fine, get no more tickets. When you come back on your next court date of July 6th at 8:35, this will be, I hope that's 6 months. Yes. I think so. Wait a minute, I might have counted wrong. It will be August 9th is your next court date. August 9th will be your next court date at 8:35. And then you pay the fine, no tickets. This will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, so I paid the fine to who?
36th District Court.
Yeah, so you pay it online at 36th District Court website. You can pay it at Meyer or CVS. There's this kiosk called DivDat, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom, or you can pay it over the phone. I can give you the phone number whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
855-798-1547.
And Your Honor, do you have a specific case number so she can note that on there for that charge?
Yes. Do you have your case number? The case number would be B123492-22.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right. But you might be able to look for it through your name as well, but that's the case number. So any other questions?
Okay. No.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you. Thank you, Investigator Chandler.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just in court. Oh, okay.
Officer-
Sure.